So welcome to the demo part. So we can use this QnA Maker. We can use this QnA Maker to create a QnA endpoint that we can use in bots. So what is a QnA Maker? So QnA Maker is a tool which lets you make using that you can make quickly a knowledge base uh, for existing contents using like any FAQ URL or Excel data or any PDF, and then later on once you create this QnA Maker, you can expose this as an endpoint, which you will see endpoint which you can use in a bot or any other application that you might have. So this is a brief about your QnA Maker. This is the high level idea, like how this QnA Maker works. So QnA Maker, you can see this is the architecture where you can have a FAQ content, text URL, and indexing and those things where you can extract this QnA, and then you create a knowledge base endpoint which then it can be used to a bot platform, or you can also use to any other platform as well. And the recipient this can be using these bots, it can be exposed to different chat windows, different channels as well. Now in case you have to use this is the use case, like you can use this FAQ. We can take example of FAQ MVP, where you can use this URL uh, in your FAQ sorry QnA Maker. Now let's come back to the QnA. QnA is provided under cognitive services terms. This free preview, this is a preview version, up to 10 transaction per minute you can do that. And right now you can see there is no services created for our QnA. So very easily you can go and create a QnA. So in order to create a QnA, it provides a very intelligent UI. You can give your own service name. This is the first step. You can create my QnA bot service, any name you can give, and you can enter a URL, like as we said, knowledge base, FAQ pages, or product manuals. You can give the URLs. In case you don't have a URL, you can also update your text file or Excel sheet or PDF files to this. So we have found this. Let's upload this MVP QnA FAQ page, and then you can configure this particular part. You can create this. Once this is done, uh, you can see this my FAQ bot home page, where you can see a knowledge base. These are the things you can write, like in case in bot, in case you give a request hi, it will be greetings, it will be saying hello with some name or something. And in case what is these are the uh, existing questions which has a knowledge base over here. So these things you can do. In case you need to add any other input, I mean output, you can write over here in answer part. You can write welcome to bot service. This way you can say, as per your desire, bot service, and then you have to say save and retrain. In case you want some transaction for the same answer, you can save and retrain, and you can also write like you can type there like hi, and then you can also write a tag for hello, the same answer. So it depends like how you want to create your knowledge base. So in case you write over here hello, so it can say no good match found in the, so you can write over here uh, along with hi and hello, you can write your own phrases over here, multiple alternative phrasing to the same question you can write. So but for this right now it will not work because you need to save and retrain. Simply no match found, so just be careful on that. You can go and create, uh, you can go to the knowledge base again, save and retrain. This will also get no. I'm just trying to acha, you created of course. Hey, so welcome to bot service MVP bot. So hello, we have not created. Now let's go and see this knowledge base. So these are the three options which we have right now, which we added over there, and these are the existing questions. In case you go and ask these questions, you will get this answers. In case you want to add multiple questions in this particular one, you can combine as well. Or I mean, in case you want to some make changes and all, you want to share this to the team so that others can use, you can do that. In case you want to delete it, you can do this. So this is all in the settings. So we'll finish this, and we'll move on to see how to publish this. Now next action will be, yeah, we'll go and publish this. So what happens in the background, it also says like it is all in the draft version. QnA added, we have added this 14 QnA added, editorial is there. Then this is the endpoint we are talking. Once you publish, you will get a endpoint knowledge base. So it is hosted where in west uh, now once you have done this, it's time to create your bot service. For that you can go to new, you can go to, it comes under your AI and cognitive services. You can search over there. Once you search that, you can see all these options. There are various options for your cognitive services. You can also search for bot. For bot services you will have three options. Web app for bot you can create, where you are going to publish this. You can also go and do a registration itself only. So let's go and create a web app for bot, which will be deployed as a app service. So it is simple thing, but some configuration changes will be there for bots. So this is same as, you can create your bot service over here. Subscription name, you can try with the free one. You can choose the free one, and these are the options. So now here if you come to the bot sample, you can select these two languages, C# and Node.js. In the preview it was you had a option to select later on and then do a registration, but now you can select initially only. So I have created this, and you can create a app service plan. So there's a slight difference between the steps that you follow in preview and now in the general availability. So by doing this, now you have created a bot service, and but this is a normal bot service which will say hello and hi. It will do a welcome for you. But in case, now the requirement will be, you wanted to use your existing bot service over here. So now you can see this is your bot management. You can go and explore, you can have your build, you can explore uh, online, you can make changes, you can just see those codes and all. So let's come back to the application configuration part. So you can see these are the things that has been configured for you, and this is the by default application ID and password for your app, I mean this one. So this has been already configured by default one. So in case uh, now the requirement will be, you want to do a management like you want to build or test. So for building you can go to the code editor. In case you have to test your web chat, you can do that. You can write or hi. So it says it is not configured. So for that, what you need to see, once you have created this service, you can see this particular service over here, and you need to take this endpoints. You will take this sorry, your endpoint and subscription key. So these two things you need to configure in your app settings. So we'll quickly go to the app settings and we'll update this. So now once you go and try to test this, you can write here in the bottom. I've written, sorry, you could not see in the recording version. You can say hi. I have written in the chat this one, hi, welcome to the bot, hello. uh, hey, I mean, no match found in FAQ.